Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to automatically activate the low power mode in the specific level of your battery on iPhone. To do that, we need to open the shortcuts application. Go open your app library and type the shortcuts. And after you found it, you just need to click it to open it. And there will be three sections on the shortcuts, which are the shortcuts automation and gallery. You need to visit the middle one, which is the automation. To create a new automation, go click this plus button on the top right corner, and now just click the top one, which is the create personal automation, and just scrolling down until you found the battery level. So after you found the battery level, you just need to set the battery level here. Let's say I would like to activate the low power mode in like 80% equals or below. So you just need that falls below 80%, and then we just need to go click next. And after that, go click actions. Now we just need to type the low power mode. Just go click them and go click next. Don't forget to turn off this as before running to run the automation automatically. And after that, you just need to go click done. So whenever your battery is falls below 80%, the low power mode will be activated into your phone. So that is the way, guys, how to activate the automatically low power mode on your phone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next tutorial.